means the idea was very complex and I was explaining in English, but no one was getting that idea. But at that time, I spoke in Hindi according to the situation, because I didn't have any other resources to explain them the idea. So I talked in Hindi, easily implemented and executed that idea, and my speaking in Hindi was very worthy at that time. Yes, sir. In my batch, 6 got recommended. Out of 6, 5 were from AFPA. Means
Tell me, Tanmay, in the end, if I have to ask you one advice for the aspiring defense candidates. How does it feel to be a recommended candidate?
very great, sir. Means it is feel like that our hard work pays off finally.
Okay. Tanmay, I remember you had come to AFPA sometime in January last year.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
After qualifying for 144, I believe, NDA 144?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what happened in the SSB that you must have attended after that?
Sir, means I have prepared well, but as you many times told that don't go with the mindset that I have to get recommended. Just before means entering in the campus, just forget about recommendation and just give your best. But I was very anxious and continuously thinking of my recommendation. It hampered my performance during all process, sir.
So you got conferenced out in the first SSB for 144 NDA?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then what did you do thereafter? I mean, thereafter the pandemic started, you must have got a lot of time. So how did you
Yes, sir.
overcome your problems, and what were the weaknesses that we told you when you were in AFPA? How did you work on that?
Yes, sir. The main thing that I was got stuck in SSB campus, and I stayed there for 50 days at SSB Center Allahabad, sir. So I got a chance to interact with many recommended candidates. I learned a lot from them. I saw in them that what is different in them that they got recommended, and I saw in them that they are very lively. They always be happy, and I was a guy who was continuously serious about his work and not enjoying moments in the life, sir. So I started implementing that in my daily routine, and I used to enjoy every work after that. And as in my feedback in lecturate also, Nair sir told me that you have to work very hard for your communication skill and power of expression also. And in GTO my feedback was good, and in psych I was not putting more actions in my story. I was just describing my what is happening in the picture only, sir. So I improved upon that, and this time I'm ready.
So the GTO feedback was given by me in January?
It is given by you, but most of the assessment is done by Colonel Hassan, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that is a pattern that we follow. In the first week I teach, and the second week Colonel Hasabnis does the neutral assessment of each candidate. So okay, fair enough. So do you think
Yes, sir. And when means in my previous attempt, when means the technical officer came to announce the result, at that time he just asked that who you think will get recommended, sir. So at that time my group members started shouting my chest number, because they have seen only my GTO performance and I was very excellent in that, but they don't know that I have made mistakes in psych and in my interview, sir. So by seeing my GTO performance, everyone was thinking that I will get recommended, but I have done a lot of mistakes in my psych and personal interview.
The feedback that you got from AFPA and your first experience that you had in the SSB, and you realized what all things went wrong in that, so you could improve upon that, right?
Yes, sir, right.
So what do you think is most important to be successful in SSB?
Sir, being yourself means, while being yourself, we have to just keep in mind that we should do only right things by looking at the surrounding, what is right in that situation, sir. Because in my GTO at one point of time, means the idea was very complex and I was explaining in English, but no one was getting that idea. But as GTO sir already told that talk in English, but whenever you did not get any word, so switch in Hindi, sir. So what that time a guy who is not real, he is just faking, and he's continuously thinking about the results. What he will do, he will not talk in Hindi because he will feel that it will create a bad impression. But at that time, I spoke in Hindi according to the situation because I didn't have any other resources to explain them the idea. So I talked in Hindi, I explained them the idea, and they means easily implemented and executed that idea. And my speaking in Hindi was very worthy at that time. And then after I switched to English, sir. So this type means being yourself means doing right thing at the right place according to the surroundings.
Great.
And not thinking of it.
Yeah. In any case, in the pre-briefing itself, the GTO tells you that the language to be used is English. However, if you get stuck, you may speak in Hindi, but try and come back to English as soon as you can. So that's fair enough. I mean, nobody will penalize you for using or speaking one odd sentence in between in Hindi. That too, to make others understand the things, because everybody may not be able to understand what you're trying to say in English. Fair enough. Fair enough. So, so thereafter you worked hard and you went where you again cracked the written examination. So your journey was a little more painful than the freshers and the first time recommended candidate. So you applied for 145, 146 both?
No, sir. I was only eligible for 145 course.
So this was your last attempt for NDA?
Yes, sir. And even during my first two attempts, I was not even able to make it in written. And in third attempt, I make it in written, got conference out, and in fourth attempt, I made it.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, there are only about, there are very few candidates actually who make it in the first attempt.
Yes, sir.
Because the whole testing process is very unconventional, and particularly your generation, which I call as PUBG generation or chocolate generation. So it takes time for you all to understand or the concepts behind it. Well, yes, fine. So then you went to which SSB now for the 145th NDA?
34 SSB Allahabad. My second SSB.
34 SSB Allahabad. Were you recommended with Shambhu?
Yes, sir. Means in my batch, means I called you. Means when Shambhu called me, I talked.
Shambhu had called me and you spoke to me, huh?
Yes, sir. In my batch, 6 got recommended. Out of 6, 5 were from AFPA, means 3 were offline students, and 2 were connected online, means with online platform. Like one of them took the interview mastery course from Chakrapani sir, and one took the both psych test mastery plus interview mastery course, sir. Means from 6, 5 were from AFPA, sir.
So you think AFPA is making any difference?
Yes, sir. Even in when we are filling our forms, so our call-off officer, he also told that you are from AFPA, from Natarajan sir's coaching, sir. So we told proudly, sir, yes, sir, we are from AFPA, sir.
Okay. And how does he know that? I mean, how did he ask you that?
Means he must be listened from previous candidates, sir. Because while discussing, he was asking us that from where you took coaching, what was your experience, like that. He was just formally talking to us, and in that he asked us about that you are Natarajan sir student, sir.
It feels great listening this,
yes,
Tanmay. A short journey of 2.5 years. Now we have 300 candidates.
Yes, sir.
We've reached the 300 mark. And very soon we'll be celebrating that, and I feel satisfied and happy that AFPA is able to deliver, is able to contribute. Fine, but tell me one thing. I'm sure some may wonder that AFPA is, what is it that AFPA is doing differently? Are we teaching them some kind of trick to fool the system? Do you think anything like that happens here, or anything like that can happen in SSB?
No, sir. No, sir. Means AFPA showed me that on what level I am on. and how much I have to work on myself to get at the level where at the requirement of the SSB, sir.
And we also
Yes.
tell you how to go about it?
Yes, sir. Yes. And even during this time, sir, after my offline course in lockdown, I was getting very bored. I have not a proper plan. So I decided again to take a mock test from mock interview from Chakrapani sir and psych assessment from Ashok sir. So in that my mock interview and test, they both gave me a very good feedback, and they told me that we will easily clear you with very good marks, sir. So at that time, I think that confidence that the feedback gave me helped me so much to perform very good in this SSB, sir.
But I'm sure that their feedback was not false. I mean, you must
Yes.
have, from the first failure and whatever we taught you in AFPA, you must have worked really hard. See, ultimately,
Yes,
if you remember, I always, on the first day, I tell you guys that AFPA can only contribute 25% to your success. The
yes,
remaining
yes.
75% is in your hand. Right. So, you have worked hard. So, you went for a second assessment later, and the assessors told you that yes, you are done well and you are up to the mark, and that happened.
Yes,
And you were, as you are saying, that your GTO was already good.
yes, sir.
So perhaps it all worked well for you, and that's how you are a recommended candidate today.
During all PGT obstacles, I was the candidate who was giving idea continuously. No one got the idea to tell their idea, and I was continuously implementing and going further. And I was the candidate who used to first cross the obstacle, and I was just by folding hands in the back, I was just seeing and telling them and guiding them only, sir. Because in the first I was doing every obstacle.
So I'm sure that it doesn't happen because of some tricks and shortcuts that anybody can teach.
Yes, sir.
So you must have understood the concept. Those 2-3 things
Yes.
that I focus on. So you caught on from there. Very good, very good. And we are really proud of you, Tanmay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And even I know that I have a group dynamics, and I played a lot of games in the group, sir. And so in our GP, one of the candidates was continuously interrupting us, and he was not letting people to make solution. So at that time I was very calm and not thinking of the recommendation. So I was able to show what I am. So I stopped him at that point, and I told him that if you have any suggestion, give it in the end. If we feel it is good, we will add it. But as we made our solution, so he did not give any suggestion, because he know that if I after completing the solution, if I am adding or interrupting them, it will create a bad impression on me. So likewise also I handled many peoples, and easily everything went very smoothly, sir.
Great. Handling the fish market or handling disruptive element is not very difficult. And I'm sure you learned it from so many discussions that we conduct here, PPDT, 6 of them, GD,
Yes,
4 of them. So many discussion practices that we have, GP, 2 of them. And we also tell you, if you remember that, how to interrupt, how to enter the discussion, how to put across your point and withdraw from the discussion, allow others to speak,
yes,
listen to them, and again get into the discussion and contribute your valuable points. Very good, very good. So I can today say that our process that we follow in AFPA is delivering. The process is working well. Fair enough. So what was your choice of service?
Army, sir.
Very good. Okay. And which arm of the army you want to join?
Infantry, sir.
You want to be a foot soldier?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So Tanmay, tell me also something about your family background. What do your father do, and your brothers, sisters, siblings?
Okay, sir. So my father is a teacher, and currently he is a principal in a Jilla Parishad school in a village, sir, which is 15 kilometers away from my home town, Digras, in district Yavatmal. And my mother is a housewife, and my younger brother is studying in 7th class. and
So
he
looking at your
also has a
success,
dream to
he
join
also
NDA.
wants to join NDA.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Means I have showed him the documentary film and everything, and he means saw my journey from means where I was and means how was I was earlier talking and now how I talk to others, and he saw everything means my evolution. So he saw my evolution, sir.
I remember Tanmay, I remember you very well, and I knew that you are from a rural background or a semi-rural background,
Yes,
and
sir.
your communication was an issue when you were in AFPA. But I'm very glad that you worked hard, and I tell all the aspirants who are watching this video, please understand, you don't have to speak Oxford English here. You don't have to be extremely fluent and flowery in your language. All that is required is a simple spoken English that conveys your thoughts and ideas in a brief and clear manner. And I am from Nagpur. I have seen Maharashtra very closely. Yavatmal is not a very big place, and
Yes,
his
yes,
father is a teacher in a Zilla Parishad school. And if Tanmay could work on his communication and he could come up to this level, I think each one of you can do it. You are a great inspiration, Tanmay, to many, because most of them think that without English they can't do anything in SSB. Well, to some extent, yes, but then getting that language is not so difficult. So now, for the sake of those who think so, Tanmay, I want you to tell them, how did you improve your communication in the last 4, 5, 6 months that you may have had in your hand?
Yes, sir. So I was continuously talking with my friends in English. If I get a reply in Marathi also, I used to talk them in English. So means first of all we have to remove that feeling of awkwardness, that how others will think, because for our purpose, for our need, we have to talk in English and practice as much as possible. So by practicing, it will give confidence, not like means mugging up the grammar rules and writing practice or anything like that. So we have to talk as much as possible, and we have to keep updated our vocabularies, and mirror practicing in front of mirror also helps a lot. And yes, and during my communication skills, practicing my communication, so I used to took lecture topics in that, sir. So means if I read something, so I means if I take a women empowerment for example, so I read something on that, so without taking any break, I used to practice. Means when I was free, I used to means just remember those points and continuously speak for 2-3 minutes or as much as possible. So this improved my communication and I got prepared for my lecture topics also.
And who gave you this as a solution to learn communication?
Nair sir. Yes, sir.
That's the best way to learn, because languages are learned by speaking, listening,
Yes,
and
sir.
reading. These are the three things that will develop your language. When you read, you learn how to construct a sentence. Okay?
Yes.
You may not know the grammar, fine. Like, I don't know whether I told you the story or not when you were here in AFPA. Even today, I don't know the grammar. Absolutely. I have authored 11 books. Some of my books sell internationally, but I don't know grammar. I'm not feeling ashamed at all in saying so. But I know one thing, that I can construct grammatically correct sentences, and that I developed by reading. Okay, and when you listen to conversations in the TV programs, English programs, your vocabulary increases, your pronunciation
Yes,
increases, it becomes better, right? And then when you speak, you put all this into practice, and that's how you gain,
yes.
your communication. And the last part, for the benefit of those who are going to be seeing this video, I'm telling you, what you did in the last, what Colonel I told you, is what I also, tell everybody, that when we give you a good comprehensive list of like 3 topics that you must prepare. So when you prepare
Yes.
one of the topics, do not write a script. Just make a bullet points, structure the topic, make bullet points, and convert those bullet points into sentences of your own. And when you stand in front of the mirror and practice, that has 3 benefits. 1, you are building up your content. 2, it is improving your communication, and 3, it is going to give you tremendous confidence, right? So I'm really proud that you followed the footsteps or the directions that were given by us in AFPA, and the results are there in front of you. And tell me, when you were here, the feedback we must have given. So
Yes, sir.
I'm sure you must have been told that you need to work a lot.
Yes, sir. In my group, my feedback was the worst. My feedback was the worst.
But that was the right feedback for that time. Do you agree that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And so it is your effort ultimately. We can only show you the direction, and you took the direction seriously, and you put in relentless hard work, and that's how one has to reach success. Wonderful. I take it as a privilege talking to you, Tanmay, today, because I very vividly remember you. Though it's about a year now, but I very vividly remember you. And when you spoke to me the other day from 34 SSB Allahabad, I could immediately the face flashed in front of my eyes, and I remembered I was feeling happy that ultimately yet another Maharashtrian boy from a small town like Yavatmal has made it into the armed forces. Great.
Yes, sir. And sir, I would like to share my lecturate experience, sir. So in my lecturate, I got a rural development topic. So I have not any knowledge about rural development or anything about, but I knew that my father is a teacher in a village. So what he has done for his students, I have gave explanation about it. And even as you explained the importance of the reading in our life. So one day I was just scrolling down on Instagram, and I read one dialogue, sir, or quote like that जो लोग खुद पर भरोसा करते हैं वो बिजनेस करते हैं, और जो खुद के काम पर भरोसा रखते हैं वो जॉब करते हैं. So sir, I in my lecture topic I covered this point as as that what we can do for rural developments, my opinion on it. So I told it like that: one who believes in themselves, they do business, and one who believes in their work, they do jobs. So by arranging human development skills program, we can create such peoples or encourage such peoples who believes in themselves, so that they can create a business and create employments for others, sir. And before that I didn't have any points, and I was quiet for 10 seconds. But after that I came up with this point, and after that I gave very good points continuously. And I think that this gave a very good impression on the assessor.
See, these are such original thoughts and ideas. Well done, very good, very good. Obviously, when you speak originally, it impresses the assessor. Ultimately, lecture is about your communication, your confidence, your content, and very good. It's excellent, Tanmay. Tell me, Tanmay, in the end, if I have to ask you one advice for the aspiring defense candidates.
We must have the burning desire in us that I have to achieve it anyhow. It is the first point, and mentorship is the necessary thing for any field, made in any walk of life, sir. Mentorship is necessary to get succeed in life, so that they can give us direction, and we can channelize our energy in only one direction to achieve that goal, sir. So mentorship is the second thing, and self-controlled mind, sir, that we have to don't get distracted by external influence like social media or everything. We must have our control on our mind, that I have to complete this in that much time, and I will complete it today. We have to set daily goals, and likewise we can achieve it, sir. And before entering in the SSB campus, forget about the results, what the results will, and just give your best and stay natural. And I would like to share my GD experience. In my GD, as many students think that I don't have that much of knowledge, I have not read many international news, anything. But if you see in your surrounding also, you can give many points from the what you have observed in your life. Sir, in my group discussion, I got one topic that which field is currently playing major role in the India's development. So and there was a lead like telecommunication, food processing, transport. So I choose the telecommunication lead and I spoke on that. So my first point was that if we take our example, means I started discussion like that कि जैसे हम recent example देख सकते हैं कि पहले SSB के लेटर पोस्ट से आते थे, तो उसमें तभी जाके स्टूडेंट्स को अपडेट मिलता था कि हाँ SSB की डेट्स आ गई है. लेकिन अभी जैसे मेल पे पहले अपडेट मिल जाता है तो हम पहले ही अवेयर हो जाते हैं, बच्चों को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए ज्यादा टाइम मिलता है. मतलब मेरे जो सराउंडिंग में चल रहा है मैंने उसी पे डिस्कशन किया. और अदर कैंडिडेट्स इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन दे वेर मींस telling points like that, this report and this United Nations report like that, but my point were very means realistic and what is happening around me, sir. And even I didn't have that much of knowledge content, but whatever I have used it fully and in a good way, sir.
Great, wonderful. See, if you remember, in VAT or in TAT, we always say observational responses are very good, right?
Yes, sir.
You remember that?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ashok sir and me during the PPDT must have said this is what is observational story. You know, something that has happened in and around you and you have been observant, you know, that itself, you know, shows your inquisitiveness and you have grasped the thing, you are able to relate it to that and, you know, make an argument in GD based on that. That's not mean, it doesn't happen to everybody. Not all of us. All the candidates can do this. So that's wonderful. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So your parents very happy?
Yes, sir. Really happy.
And when did you come back home after your medicals?
3rd January, sir.
So there must have been a party at home?
Yes, sir. We have already celebrated.
You didn't call me, otherwise I would have come.
Yes, sir. I will surely come in AFPA whenever I get a chance and we will celebrate there.
Great. I look forward to you coming to AFPA, Tanmay. I'm sure meeting you, my Mission NDA boys and other SSB boys. You know, academy is full of candidates now. The Mission NDA, both batches are running, plus the SSB batch. And there are a lot of NDA aspirants, 145, 146. They are here. So if you come, you meet them. I'm sure you're going to inspire many of them. Yes, so, with this, Tanmay, I look forward to your visit and do let us know when you are coming and we will pick you up from wherever you say and you know, we'll take care of you. Thank you so much for this interview, for sparing your time so that you can reach out to the, you know, thousands of defense aspirants who may be struggling or who may not be finding the right path as how to achieve this. And I'm sure you're going to be an inspiration for many, even in Yavatmal and across India.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, and do convey my regards to your parents. And God bless me. I hope you will serve the nation with pride, and you'll, keep the national flag up and high.
Yes, sir. Surely.
Jai Hind, Tanmay. Wonderful talking to you.